Want to unlock the secrets hidden within your local business data and turn them into actionable insights? Let's dive into how to add those crucial local services metrics to Looker Studio in under 90 seconds. First, identify your data source. This could be Google My Business, a CRM system tracking leads, or even a spreadsheet you manually update. If you're using Google My Business, great. That connection is often the most direct. If it's a spreadsheet, ensure your data is properly formatted with consistent column headers like date, leads, calls, website visits, and location. Now, head over to Looker Studio and click Create, then select Report. Next, you'll see the Add Data to Report panel here. Choose your data source. If it's Google My Business, search for it and authorize the connection. If it's a Google Sheet, select Google Sheets and find your spreadsheet. Follow the prompts to connect your account and select the specific Google My Business listing you want to track. For Google Sheets, choose the correct sheet and make sure the first row is correctly identified as headers. Once connected, Looker Studio will automatically create a basic table showing your data. Now for the fun part, visualization. Click on the table, then in the Properties panel on the right, explore different chart types like line charts for tracking trends over time, or bar charts to compare metrics across different locations. Customize your charts by dragging and dropping dimensions like date or location and metrics like leads or calls into the appropriate sections. Experiment with filters and date ranges to refine your analysis. And there you have it. You've successfully added local services metrics to Looker Studio, allowing you to monitor performance, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions to boost your local visibility. Now go forth and conquer your local market.